In life, you always have the option to settle for cheap or splurge on the best. For the last 3 years, I've had the same desk. It's been doing the job alright, but I think I'm due for an upgrade. A proper upgrade. So let's build a desk. A proper workspace is something I've dreamed about for a while. So the best place to start is at the core, which is a solid desk. I wanted something that was cohesive and that resonated with my personality. I think over time I might have been slightly brainwashed because all desks that I save on Pinterest are usually the same, a walnut finish. But I don't think that's a bad thing, is it? Anyway, at the base of my setup is the Desky standing desk. It's carefully crafted in this pristine walnut finish. Has sleek black automated legs that can be customized on preference. It checks in at 60 inches long and 30 inches wide, and if you were to ask me, that's probably the most perfect dimensions I could have asked for. It has 4 adjustable presets that can be adjusted to your liking, supports up to 140 kilograms, and comes with a built-in cable management that's honestly really accessible and well designed. Now, since I work at the same spot for long periods of time, having a standing desk is honestly really crucial. Being able to decompress my legs after a few hours of editing has truly changed my life. Now to the left side, I've added the optional drawer that's drilled in and can match whatever desk combination that you have. It's a drawer that's on the rather larger side, but this is perfect because I actually have a lot of miscellaneous things that need to be stored away. It even comes with a modular organizer inside to keep all my little things like pencils and things of that nature, which is honestly quite nice. Now when it came to the cable organizing, it was actually really easy with their cable management setup, which is super in detail. It has 9 power outlets that allow you to kind of just multitask everything. And with the addition of their little cable clips and all the little details, you can actually properly organize all the cables, making it super cable free, organized, tidy and clean. Back you will see the cables, but from the front it'll be completely cableless and it'll look like your setup is actually floating. So being that this is a standing desk, it's actually important to consider the details that make this a better choice overall. It has a dual motor system that quietly operates and you can barely hear the sound, with a very efficient 1.4 inch per second lift speed that actually kind of mitigates that little downtime between standing and sitting. I really need to say this, but Desky has impressed me with the attention to detail here. From the built-in cable management rack to the magnetic leg cable organizer, if you're looking for a cable-less setup, this will aid you immensely and has created the ultimate setup for me. Now let's move on to what's on the desk. Remember earlier I said I wanted a natural flow to my setup? I have decided to add the walnut desk shelf that's complementing the desk, or monitor riser. Isn't that the same thing? Anyway, since I've built multiple setups in the last few months, it made me realize that at the very base of every setup should sit a functional desk shelf. On this set shelf sits my slightly old M1 Mac Mini on the Mini Saporu dock that keeps it upright. To the right of that is my trustworthy BenQ Be Creatis Gen 2 dock. Now I don't like the name of it, it's kind of silly, but it's a damn good product. It supports both my Mac Mini and my MacBook Pro, allowing me to switch in between inputs with the press of a button. It's technically made for a hybrid gaming setup, but I put a rule on myself to not have any kind of leisure devices at this space so I don't get distracted. Hugging it is my Podix 140 watt charging station, and this is one of those products I use religiously. It has 2 main retractable cables that can charge at up to 100 watts, 2 30-watt USB-A ports to charge headphones and things of that nature, and a primary 140-watt USB-C port to charge quite literally anything. And lastly, I have my trusty M1 Pro MacBook Pro docked on a simple Mini Saporu stand. This allows me to work at the desk and take it when I need to be out of the house. Now, for the main components, the monitor. A 34-inch ultra-wide curved display that supports 160Hz and has a 4K resolution. For editing videos, it's the ultimate hack. Now I'm also kind of an audiophile. I really enjoy good sound, so hugging the monitor are my PreSonus Eris 4.5 speakers that sit on some speaker stands that I recently got on Amazon. At times when I need to lock in and benefit from noise cancelling, I use the One Audio Studio Max 1 headphones, and these are truly some next level headphones. A mounted arm sits to the left of my shoulder with a really old school Blue Yeti microphone. I know, it's my next upgrade, I promise. So now let's move on to the peripherals. The same trusty MX Master 3. This is practically the holy grail of mice, and to the left of that is my keyboard. This is the Ajaz AK820 75% wireless keyboard. It looks nice, types and sounds nice, and the price is solid as ice. You really can't beat it. Another must for any desk in my opinion is a monitor light. It really adds practical use and ambient lighting, overall creating a much more moody setup and reducing eye strain when you're working later in the evening. This BenQ one is really high end and offers great features: brightness, color temperature, automated setting, front and back lighting, and a favorite preset, which is kind of overkill for a simple light, but hey, BenQ sent it my way and it's a great product. Now, all in all, I really do think this is the best setup I have ever built. It is not only the most aesthetically pleasing, but it is highly functional and super organized. Now, when building the setup, that was the main mission: create something functional and practical whilst making it as aesthetic as possible. And I have to admit, the Desky setup is really the way to go. It is truly the nicest and the bestest desk I have ever had. In fact, I really believe that it's gonna be really hard for me to find something better down the line. I don't even know if this is gonna top it. The quality is just unmatched. And when you combine things like the refined desk shelf and the compatible modular drawer with the impressive 4 customizable presets, the super intricate cable management rack that actually provides such value, and an all-around beautiful high quality crafted finish, nothing really comes close to it. Now, I do want to give a sincere thank you to the team over at Desky. I wouldn't have been able to make this project a reality without them, so their support has truly been the one reason all of this was possible. If you're interested in getting a desk like this one, then I truly recommend it. It is an investment and you will probably keep it for life. Everything will be listed in the description down below. Now, I've spent quite some time editing this video, so if you've enjoyed, a like and a sub is always appreciated and it goes a long way. Now, with that said, I actually do want to go ahead and enjoy the setup and not work for a minute. So until the next video, I will catch you shortly, and I wish you the best of luck in anything you do. Deuces.